Hey YouTube, easily on Peters here. um, it's been crazy lately, very crazy. Got a few more projects in the house now. And for those projects, I already ordered the parts in the time it took me to make this video. So, excuse my delayed self. I know I have been a little bit delayed. Even my dogs agree, they're howling away right now. This is the first thing I picked up though. Just a little SSR110. I actually have two of these now. But when I got it, I noticed this. Plastics were broken. It looked like it was epoxied or glued at one point. Didn't hold up, obviously. So I actually have brand new plastics for it. Brand new exhaust. Brand new decal kit as well for it, which I think will be really nice. Yeah, exhaust, decal kit, plastics. I'll show you all a little bit over here. Also got new fuel filter, fuel lines, valve for the tank. Let's open this up. Made it a little bit easier. It's at least not in the box. Look. A little bit better. Now, the exhaust is currently fine on it, but it is missing the heat shield, and I couldn't find just a heat shield. Hate burning my leg too, so I guess this was a good time. Go ahead. Let's get a whole new exhaust. I don't know how it looks or anything. Let's take a look. Online it does say that it would fit, so I'm hoping it really does. So we got our hanger. See the muffler. Alright. We got this as well. Let's see. We should get the Amazon guy showing up right now. Hold on a second. We stay together now until forever. Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. Oh, we let each other down, 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 yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 yeah. Oh, we let each other down, 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 yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 yeah. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us? From the way we caught them. We weren't supposed to break up. Let's make up to what my heart wanted. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. That we were better than all of the others. Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us. Let love rule, not be us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. Love to see it. like the exhaust is open up pretty well. Yeah, right there it should be alright. The happiest. It sounds alright still. Yeah, see, this fucking thing's leaking already too. Fucking garbage, man. It's not leaking as much, which is nice. Yes. And we can't put it back together. So. Alright YouTube, so we almost have one complete bike now. Show you all how bad the seat was. Like, it really was shot. Just completely shot. The plastics was still good, which I didn't realize, but I ended up getting new plastics anyway, so one bike's gonna have completely new plastics. That's alright. I have a cover coming for the side here. Runs great. Guess we're on to finishing this one next. But otherwise, yeah, she's looking good. Hell yeah. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us? When we go on now, we were supposed to break up. This should to make up to what my heart wants. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. Hey YouTubies, and Peters here. So I guess we'll start off. Hope you all can kind of see what I'm doing. Check take a tripod. Bring it a little closer. So new plastics are on with the decal kit, and I think it looks pretty sick. Put you all like that. Get a little bit closer. There we go. So changing out the spark plug. I'm gonna make sure it's got a 0.024 gap. There we go. That should actually be right about there. Yep. Yeah, we got our new spark plug. Before we put your spark plug in, just because of how delicate these studs are, I'm gonna grab some spark plug grease of sorts and things. Let's see what it's in. Spark plug anti-seize. Exact. I try to put this in everything I own, just so I never run the risk of the spark plug getting stuck, because that would be horrible. So we get some of the anti-seize right like that. Nice. Use just enough. Put the rest right on the top there. Use it on the next one. Cool. We have a gap at 0.026 to 0.028. Right around there. And I'm doing a lot of running around today, YouTube, so pardon my craziness in the videos. Nice. That's pretty tight. I'm gonna grab some of this. There's a little bit. Just a hair on the tip there. Just some battery insulation, but really any dielectric grease will work. Move it around. This one's just about good to go. I'm gonna do the same thing for this. And right after we do those two, we'll finish this one. We're also going to change the oil on the both of them, since it is also oil change season. There we go. These still had the original spark plugs from the factory, which is pretty wild because I don't know how good they really are. I think I already gapped this. Yep. Right where it needs to be. I'm going to take our non-stick anti-seize, put it right in. There we go. We are starting to fly along now, YouTube. Nice. I'm gonna grab our corrosion protector. Put it right on the tip like that. Move it around. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna start it up for a bit. Both of them. I'm gonna let them idle, drain the oil, go from there. Stay tuned, YouTube. We are boogieing. God, what a day. What a day, what a life.